We made it to the weekend. Congratulations, everyone, and welcome to another daily Japanese booster pack opening. Today is the weekend, so hopefully we started off right. Come on. VMAX Santa Scorch or VMAX Butterfree. We already got our VMAX Gardevoir, so let's see if we can get some good pulls. Yesterday we got a rare, which was awesome. Great way to kick off our Friday. But let's see what we get today. Oop. It's okay. And we start off with Larion. Look at that. So cool, majestic in the cave. Very nice. And then a Cubchoo. That giant snot drip. Just going in for a hug right there. That's adorable. But don't hug me, get your snot all over me. And a Steenie. I think it's a Steenie. Look at that. It looks like it's on stage with all the paparazzi in the background, but it's just the way everything's sparkling back there. Pretty cute. Okay. Let's see what we got. Ooh, I see something sparkly. And then we pull the uncommon from the back. Oh, Beartic to go with our Cubchoo. That's awesome. We'll look at that after. And the rare is it's a fire. Hitoran. Hey, Heatran. Isn't that cool? The cool action shot. Very nice. Full border holographic. So cool. Wow. Yesterday we had a lot of duplicates. And today, I don't think we got a single duplicate. That's awesome. The Cubchoo Beartic combo. Okay, let's put these guys in a bit of an order so that I can put them away, and then we'll save Heatran for the outro. Scoot over here. Grabbing the binder. All right, we can put our Steenie right next to our Bunsweet, and we'll be right next to a spot right next to it for the Serena. Next we've got our Cubchoo, which is number 22. Wishiwashi is 24, so 23, 22, and it goes right here. And right next to it is our Beartic. There we go. All right. Look at this. This page is filling out real nice. Real nice. Cool. And then finally we have our Larion. I don't think we hit an Aggron yet. But we did hit an Aaron, which means our Larion goes right here. One-handed. 52, yep, 51, 52. That's pretty cool. And then our Heatran over here is going to end up number 11. Oh, it's going to end up here somewhere. So, cool stuff. Thanks, guys, for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. Bye-bye.